In this video, I'll show you how to manage comments and feedback in Stack so your team can communicate clearly and keep decisions easy to find later. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly where to leave feedback and how to keep conversations organized. First, open the relevant project item. All comments are connected to a specific project, so begin by selecting the project you are working in. From there, choose the item you want to discuss. This could be a workflow item such as an RFI, a submittal, or a change order. It could also be an issue like a field issue, a defect item, or even a daily report. The important part is opening the exact item where the conversation should happen, so your feedback stays linked to the correct context. Now let's focus on managing comments in workflows, since most process-related discussions happen there. Open the project from your project list, then go to the workflow section inside that project. Select the specific workflow item you want to review, such as the RFI or submittal you are working on. Scroll down to the comments area. To add a new comment, click in the Add a Comment field, type your message, and then press the Send or Post button to publish it. You can view existing comments, add new ones, and where permitted, edit your own comments to correct or clarify information. Each comment includes the user's initials along with the date and time, giving you a clear record of who said what and when. Use the comments section for back-and-forth discussion related to that workflow item. If a question needs clarification, post it there. If a decision is made, summarize it in a comment so the outcome is recorded for everyone. Comments update in real time, which helps keep collaborators aligned without relying on emails or side conversations. Remember that all comments remain in the workflow history for traceability, so keep them professional, clear, and focused on the task. If you do not see the comments section, make sure you have opened a specific workflow item rather than just viewing the overall workflows list. When adding feedback, include enough detail such as what changed and why so someone reading it later can understand the context without searching for extra information. That's all you need to keep feedback organized in Stack. Open the right project item and use the comments section effectively. Now you know how to manage comments and feedback in Stack to keep your projects organized and your team aligned. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple project management tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.